People, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new, you are highly and so welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you an ingredient that would require no rules, no stress, no exercise, and this homemade remedy is actually going to remove your belly fat. It's going to whoop out all of those stubborn fat cells, and your weight also is going to be reduced, and your belly is going to be really flat. Okay, now this remedy is actually natural. There's no preservative, there's no chemical. Yeah, so you have to be consistent and you have to give it a little time for it to really be visible. Like the result is gonna be, it's going to start from the first day. Okay, but as you continue, it's going to improve. The fat is going to be cut down, like that, and before you know it, you have achieved all of your results. Okay, so if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. And now let me walk you down into this video. Okay guys, so you're gonna be needing to use watermelon. Okay, alright, so watermelon is very good for the body, and you can as well use it for the skin because it contains vitamin E, vitamin C, and it also contains potassium, yeah, which helps to make the skin look really young and tight. But for the body, it helps in flushing out excessive weights. When you drink this every day alongside with other ingredients that I'm going to be showing you, you are going to be looking sweet 16. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be cutting this watermelon, and let's hope it is ripe. Okay, so now this your watermelon has to contain seed. Okay, if there's no seed in your watermelon, do not use it. It is not an organic watermelon. It has to contain seed. That's when you know that your watermelon is. So what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna cut the watermelon, and the white part of the watermelon is actually very important. So you're going to cut the red side and the white side also. So this is how you're going to cut it. You see, there's enough of the white side and the red side, plus the seed. You do not remove the seed. So the white side of the watermelon is perfect, and it's going to help for the weight loss and belly fats. Alright, so we're gonna be grabbing a blender, and then we're gonna be transferring this into the blender. Okay, so we're equally going to be needing cucumber. Okay, now the water in cucumber is perfect to remove all of those belly fats, and it works really well, okay, for the skin by making your skin look super duper young. Okay, so you can also use cucumber for the skin. So I'm going to be cutting it in little cubes. Now after cutting it, then we'll have to be transferring that into the blender. And then we'll have to go blend this. Alright, so it's blended and this is how it looks like. Okay, so for this you have to sieve it out. So you're going to be needing a cup, and then I'll be needing a strainer. Then I'll have to be turning this into the strainer while it goes down to the cup. So I'm going to assist it to strain it. I'll be doing that again, straining it out. Okay, so if you have a juicer, you can actually do this. For me, I don't have a juicer. And this is it. So we're also going to be needing tomato. Now this is actually going to make this drink more appetizing to drink. Okay, tomato is very good. It's a natural fruit that works wonders in the body. Okay, have you actually eaten tomato before? Raw tomato. You would have to try to eat raw tomato in this, and you're going to be blending it. Okay, so I'm going to be blending this particular one also. For this, since the tomato does not have too much of water, we're going to be putting in just a little bit of water, and then I'll blend it also, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so the tomato is properly blended, and I'm equally going to be straining it out, because in this particular one you need just the juice. So I'm going to be straining it out to get the juice. Now we're also going to be needing to use a little bit of apple cider vinegar in this, okay, to fasten the effects of this drink in removing your weight and reducing belly fat. Okay, so apple cider vinegar is a natural body detoxifier. It helps to cleanse the colon, so it's very necessary, and you have to get the organic, raw, unfiltered, and that contains the mother in it. Okay, so what you do is that you shake it properly, and then you would put in 1 tablespoon of it into a full glass cup. Okay, just like that. After you do that, then you can stir. Stir it all up. Last ingredient is lemon. Lemon is citric in nature, and as such is perfect for this belly fat drink. Okay, so this is actually going to be very helpful. So you would, okay guys, so this is lemon, not lime, because I know some of you guys actually think that it is lime. It is lemon, okay, because Aluku lemon is green, and that's why I have green lemon. So I'm going to be cutting that. And I'll be squeezing in the lemon into this drink. Okay, so after putting that, then you would have to stir it all up. Now the ingredients is complete and your belly fat drink is ready. Okay, so this is actually what you are going to be needing for to remove excessive weight and to get rid of belly fat. Okay, so you drink this every night before you go to bed, and you're going to be loving the result. So you're going to be needing this every night before you go to sleep. You would take a little bit of dinner, and then you drink this every night for 7 days. Now check out the result that you're going to get. Now after 7 days of drinking it every day, then the next week you would have to skip it. You drink it 3 times in a week, and your results will be very, very visible, and you're going to be loving it. Okay, so this is actually very, very good for removing fats and also getting rid of excessive weight. So it's perfect for diabetic patients because it's going to help to balance your sugar level in your body. So every night before you go to sleep, and you're good to go. So that's it. You do not need any strict rule. Yeah, this home remedy is going to help you. Like, trust me, try this and you are going to be confessing to me at the comment section how effective it is. But just like I said, you do not need to take too much of excessive soda, and you do not need too much of carbohydrates and fatty food. You need to, you know, cut down on all of those ones, and you see the way these ingredients will work really fine. So if you did enjoy watching the video, don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you soon in my next video, and stay flawlessly beautiful. And bye guys. Mwah.